In this video, I will guide you how to insert column between two columns. For example, if you want to insert column after A and B, then place the cursor on the column C and go to the home, and on the right side you will see that insert. Click on this arrow and click insert sheet columns, and here you can see that a column has been added between two columns in Excel. Let me undo that. A simple method is place the cursor and right click and go to the insert and click on the entire column and click OK. If you want to use a shortcut method, then you need to press Ctrl, Shift and equal sign, then head to the entire column, click OK. If you want to the same number of columns, for example, two columns after the first two columns, so how you can do that? Select the two columns and right click and click insert, and here you can see that two columns have been added. If you want to move the existing column to a new place, for example, you want this column to move to the before C column. So how you can do that? Select the column, press the shift key, and when you see this four side arrow, you drag the column to the other side. We can't do that to merge cells. Let me okay let me undo the unmerge the cells, and now click the cells, hold the shift key and move it. Here you can see that. So with this way you can easily insert columns between two columns in Excel. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.